Hey guys, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I am here today with another episode of Shake Your Sunday. Shake Your Sunday is an open collaboration hosted by myself. You are welcome to join anytime you want. Just create anything shaker and use the hashtag Shake Your Sunday, all in lowercase. Don't forget to tag me if you want me to find your video. And this week I'm going to be sharing with you some shakers that I have made. They are shaker tags which I will be adding to a fairy journal that I am finishing up. And what I use with these shakers is packaging that I have recycled. So not only I'm creating a shaker, I'm also recycling packaging that it would be garbage if I didn't save it to create something with. So I have three different ones. This is the first one. Let me put it up close so you can see the fairy in there. There are some jemmies and some fairy dust or some glitter inside. Let me just move it so you can see. And there is also a bow that I made and put up here. There are some little roses and some gold leaves and some beautiful trim. So I think it's perfect for the fairy journal. This is how the back looks. And I really like it. This little container came with some jewelry findings, I believe, you know, like jump rings or things like that I had bought from Michael's, I think. And it's going to be the same with the other ones that I will be showing you. It's also packaging that I recycled, really like that. Those tiny fairies, I've had them for so long. It came in a pack of little embellishments that I had gotten from AliExpress a long time ago. I'm talking about years ago. And look at this, how funny is this? So this one here is also, like I said, packaging. It has some cute trim here at the top. I did make this more in like the purple, so as you can see there is a purple fairy inside. When you put your finger on the packaging, on the plastic at the top, the glitter attaches to your finger and you can move it. Look. Can you see that? Look how funny. See, it moves. So I can actually like remove it and uncover the fairy. Look at that. I like it. Let me shake it so you can see the inside. It has it has some seed beads. It has some flat back pearls. It has some glitter. It has some beautiful magical things inside. And I think it's just perfect for my fairy journal. This is tulle, one of the Dollar Tree tulle that, or a floral mesh, I think it's called. If you buy it from Dollar Tree, this one says mesh. And oh, let me put it up close so you can see the details. Can you see? Okay, do you see this owl here? Can you see that little owl? It's so sweet and adorable. I had gotten that from Hobby Lobby a few months ago. Look at that little mushroom right there. Super cute. Then this is a purple flower. Then this is also like a flat back flower. It's plastic, and these are the silk flowers. And I think it's just beautiful. The paper that you see underneath the plastic, it's a paper that I painted, and I used it there because I used it in the journal also. And this is the back of the tag. Look how beautiful. It's like a woodland scene. You can see the paper that I painted here a bit better. It's Tyvek paper, which is one of those envelopes from the post office, the Tyvek envelope, and I recycled it and I painted it. It has a few coats of paint. First, I painted it white, and then I put the Tiffany blue color, like 2 layers of that, and then you see there is like a shine to the paper, some shimmer. That's a dilution spray in a white, in like a shimmery white. So I put that on top, and you can write on it if you want. So it has more flowers on the back, those little roses, silk roses, more of the little animals. Look how beautiful. Do you see the mushrooms? They are so cute. And another owl here. And it kind of goes perfect because, you know, it's fairies and they are in the forest and there are also animals there. So yeah, I thought it was a great idea to add all those tiny mushrooms. And the best part is that it came all cut like this. I didn't have to fussy cut anything. And it's just so super cute. And I have plenty more of those little creatures, which I will definitely add to some of the pages in the journal. So you will see the flip through soon probably. So this is the second one, and I hope you are able to see all the details, you know, all the different trims and things that I added to this. So yeah. Oh, and this bow is just a piece of a tulle, and I just grabbed it in the center and tied it with a purple ribbon, and that's it. It's nothing fancy. Same thing with this one. It's just the difference is that I added this trim over the pink tulle, and the pink tulle, since this is so pale, I had to do it double too, so you could see the color pink. Yeah, so those are those, and this is my last shaker. Look how beautiful this is. I think with all the roses that I used, it kind of looked like shabby, but I just love it. I think it's very romantic looking and it's so magical. There's another fairy in there. I hope you can see that. Again, same thing with the glitter. I put my finger there and you can move it. Let me show you the beautiful things in there. The pearls and the gems and all the glitter. And so cute. I hope you can see. Then here also you have more of those silk roses. I want you to see it, so I want to put it up close. There you go. So here on the top, it has some pink lace. Then it has some of this tulle that has like stars, and it's like a Tiffany blue. Those are just tiny scraps of tulle that I had, and I added there. They were like cut in like a rectangle and triangular shape, same as here, down here. It's another piece of like trim, but I wanted to get like that pop of color, so I decided to add those scraps. And this gold leaves here, which is like it goes from here to up to here. There's also a piece of like thread here, which is like a multi-color thread. I hope you can see that. It's like blue and pink. Comes all the way to here. So pretty. And again, here in the corner there is a star, and we're gonna turn it back, and this is how the back looks. And this one has some lace here, which I like ruffled up. Another like big flower, like Tiffany blue. Another piece of that tulle here with the stars. Another piece of the gold leaves, and another star here, but this one is pink. And it's really pretty. I mean, you have a tiny piece here where you can write if you want. Yeah, so it's very beautiful. So these 3 shakers are going to go in my fairy journal, and I think they are going to look so beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to show you everything that's going to be in that journal. I have been making things to add for like decoration, pieces of ephemera. I dyed some paper myself, and I've put a lot of care into making that journal. So I hope when you finally see the reveal and flip through, you will love it, because I'm loving it myself. Okay, you guys, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get inspired to save your packaging, because everything, when I grab something, when I open something, when I cook, or when I'm, opening a gift or something, I always look at what can I save and create something with. You reuse the garbage and create something new and give it another life. So you guys, again, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you like this, and have a fantastic weekend. Bye.